First thing we're going to do is set up the site. So we're going to go to Sites from the menu, and we're going to navigate to the folder Lessons 3, and we're going to set up the folder location, and we're also going to identify the folder that's going to have the images. So that's the default image folder for Lesson 03, and then we're going to use Save to save our site, which will move everything accordingly, and then we're going to just use Done when we're finished. That takes us through steps 1 and 2. Now we're going to go to step 3, and we're going to go to File and Open. We're going to navigate to html_formatting.html, and you'll notice the files that are in there are going to be the same ones that were found under your Files panel. Okay, we want to go in and find html_formatting.html and open it. Okay, this is your file. The next thing we want to do is set up our view so we can see a split view. And you notice that in this case it's already set up a split view, but they specifically want us to use the vertical split view with live. So I'm going to show you how to go to set that up. Okay, on the menu we're going to find View, and then we're going to look under View, and under View we're going to look at the view mode and check that out, and then we're going to come up and we're going to find under Split, we're going to use Split Vertically. We're going to actually look at 2 HTML pages, and one of the pages is going to have a number of references to the same exact style being used on that HTML page. The other will have 1 reference, and obviously that's going to mean that you will save not only time but the chance of making a mistake. So let's just see how that might roll out. So let's make a change, and let's change blue to green in the color scheme for this headings 1 font. And in this case, what if we have to change it on every single instance, and that would take a lot of time. And then what if we actually made a mistake? Next, we're down at step 7, and we're going to open up CSS_formatting HTML, another HTML page, and we're going to look at how styles are defined within that HTML page. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and find the font color, which is currently blue, in the headings 1 style defined in the HTML page, and with CSS styles, and we're going to change that to green. And I want you to notice how changing it 1 time now changes it in all instances of that headings 1 use within the page. Now next we're going to take and find the paragraph font text and we're going to change that font color to green also. And you'll notice also, since it's defined 1 time, we only need to make that change 1 time to change the color blue to green, and it will affect all instances within the paragraph tag. Okay, this is just a short video to help us get started with working with CSS styles within the HTML page. We will come back next and work with the CSS designer.